Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you will be needing to do is to have your Filmora software. Then after that, you will be needing to go to File, New Project, and then you will need to create a new project. So I'm just going to click on Don't Save so we can create a new project. Now we have a new project. You will be needing now to start importing your videos. So you will need to go to Media, click on Import, and here you can import uh, all your own uh, content. So you can choose whatever you like. So I'm just going to choose these ones. And basically, this is an image. So I'm just going to keep that. And basically, I also, let's choose them both. I'm just going to do like this and delete this one. I want to, for that to be. So basically now you can start like pausing or adding your content however you like. So this is the timeline. You can like want to for this video to appear first and the other to appear after. So I'm just going to add the color so it can appear. So I'm just going to give it a brighter color. So as you can see now, it appears that you can add it here. You can start adding text, for example, from here, you add quick text. You can start adding stock media like just some images, audios that you would find here. Also, you can add your music from here. You can just go to mine and go to the down my music, and from here you can start adding your own music. You can use transition. For example, you can use some transition that will be showing. So for example, here it will be fading and given, etc. And there are many other things like the effects that you can try to use on your videos, etc. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.